Welcome to RentScope, the maintenance control center that brings every repair workflow into one place. Here's how a tenant report moves smoothly from request to resolution. A guided diagnosis asks a few focused questions about the issue and any visible damage, helping identify the right maintenance support from the start. Once the issue is assessed, simply choose the access preference and a service window that works. RentScope then finds matching maintenance vendors. Compare the options and choose which vendors you'd like it to contact. A quick review confirms the job details, access instructions, and availability. Then RentScope is ready to coordinate. The Maintenance Control Center automates vendor outreach in the background, keeping every response organized and up to date. As responses arrive, compare pricing, availability, and call notes. Then select your preferred maintenance vendor. RentScope contacts the selected vendor and handles the final appointment coordination. Review the agreed details and approve. Just like that, the appointment is confirmed. After the visit, capture the completion time, final cost, outcome, and any supporting notes or photos. Everything is saved to maintenance history, giving your team a clear audit trail and complete control.